You're late, bro.
No, I'm not late. You're late.
I was here at 10 o'clock.
You said 10:30.
Yeah, well, I was here at 10 o'clock and now you're late.
No, you were early. That's what it was.
The channel. And hello, sir.
How we doing?
Yeah, you're being rude in
I
front
was
of
about to say, I was here on time.
Yo, Team Privada, it's your boy Clark in the house. Brian is sick again today.
In his deathbed.
So you got Clark here hosting you in the Privada warehouse today. I'm taking you guys on the behind the scenes tour, showing you all the things that you want to see, answering the questions you need answered. And the first question we're going to answer is who the heck is Eddie? Eddie.
As they call me in other circles, E-Money.
And Eddie. Are you familiar with something on the website that's made you very famous recently? Something called Eddie's Deep Reserve?
I might have heard of it.
What is it?
So you see, the key is you pick cigars. 2, maybe 3, maybe 4.
What? How do you know?
You just know.
Okay.
And then I come up with a number, right? But it's gotta be the same backwards and forwards. Got it.
Why?
It just does. And then you put it in a bag with the Boveda. And you know, seal it. You have to seal it. And you put it in a box. Maybe throw a sticker in there. Maybe a lighter. Maybe
Just, you know, whatever.
maybe just a loose paper clip. And people are gonna be like, "What is this paper clip?" But they'll know.
That's something special?
Oh yeah.
Even though it's just a paper clip?
To you, it's just a paper clip.
Fair enough.
And then you put a little TLC in there, and voila, magic.
The fuck am I doing with my life?
Yeah, man, he's the best, you know? I mean, it's been a pleasure knowing him for 2 years. And he's super smart, he's on top of everything. Just an absolute delight.
Here we are in the LCA room, baby. This is where the magic happens. This right here is where the LCA orders get packed and sent to shops. This in here is where I sit. Sometimes. That's my computer. That's my inbox.
Where are we?
What does it look like? We're in Cigar Kingdom, baby. Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Woo! Organize these boxes. Efficiency. People need the yours on time. Let's go. Come on. Need to keep this running freshly and efficiently. Packing farm roll cigars. We're doing a farm roll takeover next month. It's really fun. Do something else. This is our break room. This is where you can get your coffee from. This is our ladder. This is where the cigars are. There's cigars here. Come on, there's more. Come on. Here's some Privada branded complimentary water for our guests.
Honored.
This is where we take Privada breaks when. Let me do a full tasting analysis. Very clean, crisp, short finish, bright aromas of water and cold and very liquidy viscosity. Yo, here we are in the garage today, looking at the Privada Charger. Buy that Charger, Ash, win the contest, let's go! Guys, Privada Charger, baby. This thing is cool. Here's how you win. PrivadaCigarClub.com. You go buy the hashtag Charger Ash cigar by Aladino for $10, which is a delicious cigar, by the way. You try to smoke the longest ash possible, post it on Instagram. Hashtag Charger Ash on Instagram. If you guys are in the top 10, you get a chance to enter the live Zoom call to win this car. It's super easy. The cigar is $10 and it's really pretty damn good too. So go buy it. Seriously, I'm not kidding, guys. We are $50,000 in the hole for this project. I please need you to go buy these cigars right now, please. And guys, second place, we had a second place prize. Second place is in this trunk. Okay, it's not in this trunk anymore, but it is a 250 count New Air cooler door. We were going to try to put the cooler door in the trunk, like install it, but several mechanics said that is impossible. So instead we're just giving that away to second place. So you either win a car, you win a cooler door, or you just get to smoke a really fantastic cigar with some of the best Honduran tobacco you can get in the market. Either way, you win the game, baby. So what do you guys think of the Privada warehouse and the Charger?
It's very impressive. I wish I could just move in here. The Charger's really nice too, way better than I thought whenever I saw it. But yeah, how'd you like it? How'd you like revving it up?
Oh, I could drive that for sure.
It'd be real nice.
But I want to talk to you guys a little bit because I don't know if we caught this earlier, but can you explain why you guys are in Orlando right now?
So we're in Orlando because we got our house got destroyed by Hurricane Ida. A tree fell through it and literally fell through our bedroom where we would have been staying, which I attempted to stay and she told me to leave, so thank goodness we did that. It knocked the house 5 feet off the slab backwards and 6 feet off the slab to like the left. And the entire back of the house is crushed because it's supposed to be 4 feet off the ground. So technically we're homeless right now, looking for a place to live, either here or back home. But
So I just want to give everybody some backstory. Rob and I have been emailing for a long time. This is the first time we're actually meeting in person, but Rob and I have emailed a bunch of times, and you've been extremely level-headed about this whole thing. I'd be very calm about this whole situation, despite the fact that your house has literally gotten destroyed. I'm just like really impressed with how like in good of a headspace you are about this. Like, why do you think that is?
so it's kind of terrible, but good at the same time. So my wife's not from Louisiana, so she's never had to deal with this before. But I lived through Katrina. That was the first thing that we ever evacuated for, because normally we just stay and ride it out. But our house during Katrina got destroyed.
Oh my God, are you kidding me?
But I was just graduating high school, so the house got like 4 feet of water in it. So it's terrible to say, but I've gone through this once. It didn't completely destroy the house, but we did go, you know, I can fondly remember having Christmas that year on top of a stack of sheetrock in my grandma's house with no walls, no air conditioning or anything else. But everybody still just came together and did everything like normal. But done this before, and plus there's no reason to freak out about it because, you know, I got to stay level-headed for my wife so she doesn't freak out. And then, you know, we just got to keep moving forward.
Rob, truly, you guys you're both inspirations for everybody in this community, and you guys are a very active and important part of this community. And I just want to thank you guys for being part of this, and for even while you're going through all this, still concerned about Privada and LCA. And one of the first things you told me was that you lost your cigar collection. How many cigars did you lose?
I had right at 140 cigars in my humidor, which my wife bought me the humidor as my wedding gift.
And that's just, I'm sorry, that's really bad. You had a bunch of LCA stuff in there, right?
Yep.
You said every month except for Cigars you had,
Yep.
right?
And every single one, and Cigars was getting mailed to me
By
another member.
This community,
So.
baby. But we're going to, Brian and I have looked through our humidors, and we've got some LCA stuff that we want to replace for you. And there's some stuff that we don't have. And so I'm asking if you guys are watching this and you've got an LCA cigar that you've got extras of, please let me know. We want to make sure that we can get you at least one of everything so you can get that collection.
That'd be
Thank
awesome.
you so much.
Appreciate it.
How long are you here for?
Absolutely.
Right, undetermined amount of time right now.
Okay, I have a brand new JC Newman humidor. He gave me himself. The factory gave me themselves, and I'm gonna bring it to you, man.
Oh, that's amazing.
140 count on it,
That is
so I'll
amazing.
bring it.
Thank you so much.
But no, I mean, listen, he yesterday emailed me and asked me if you could get patches for your flag, because even with everything else that's going on right now, you wanted to be able to represent the Privada family, and you give so much to this family, and so we're going to take care of you too.
That's awesome. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Because I was really excited when I got the flag because I was like, well, I can rebuild from here. So
We're gonna get you a full LCA collection for that flag too, and the
Yeah.
patches and everything you need.
Perfect.
So if anybody has one extra LCA cigar you guys wouldn't mind giving up, let me know. I'm gonna try to get the full set together. My email is clark@privadacigarclub.com. I'll make sure that gets mailed to you when we've got the full set. And just thank you guys again for being here. And thank you to everybody watching for being a part of this community. #Privada Strong, baby.